Welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, my name is Kristine. Let me take you back and show you how I made these super quick and easy, super yummy chicken tacos. To my boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I cut up into pieces, I'm adding this seasoning mixture, which I will link down below. I say link all the time. I mean, I will include it down below in the description box. Next, I'm adding in equal parts flour and cornstarch. Let's get these fried up. For my coleslaw dressing, I start out with Japanese mayo. I add salt and pepper, a little bit of lime zest and some lime juice, and cilantro. I used dried cilantro because I didn't have fresh. Super easy. To that, I add in shredded carrots, onions, and in my case, I used lettuce because I didn't have any cabbage, but if you wanted to make a true coleslaw, just add in shredded cabbage. Friends, this turned out absolutely delicious. It was so good. Super fresh, super crunchy, hits all the elements that I often talk about and love. You guys are going to love this one. I promise you. Make it. I just want to say thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please share this video with friends and family who you think might enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up. I can pop a couple more videos right here for you to check out between now and my next upload. Please subscribe to my channel. I upload every other day. Can't wait to see you next time.